Friends, have you ever seen a telephoto enhancement lens on a foldable smartphone? It's definitely not something you come across every day, and that's exactly what makes this device so interesting. Today, let's unbox the unreleased Vivo X Fold 6 together and take a closer look at what makes it special.
A quick shout out to my tech partner from China for sharing this video. A big thank you for making this possible. Hey everyone, it's Maiky from Maiky. If you love staying updated with the latest gadgets, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss out our exciting tech content.
As always, I'll also share a wallpaper that I personally really like. The unit I received comes in the blue hole color option, and honestly, it's a stunning deep shade of blue. The moment I saw it, it immediately gave off a premium and sophisticated vibe. Take a look at the back from different angles. When light hits the surface, you can see beautiful transitions between lighter and darker shades, creating a rich layered effect that looks incredibly elegant. Whenever people talk about Vivo, many instantly think of the Blue Factory nickname, and that association has been around for years. I even spent some time looking into this particular color style and discovered that a similar textured blue is often used on luxury sports cars and high-end watches. It has a refined, understated charm that feels timeless. Of course, what really caught my attention was the enhancement lens designed for the foldable screen experience. Let's put on this unique case first. Wow, the entire look changes instantly and gives the phone a completely different personality. Now let's attach the lens and see how it all comes together. Personally, I feel that bringing this enhancement lens kit to the X Fold 6 is a big step forward. It finally gives foldable phone users access to a more complete imaging experience. This has never really been about technical limitations. It comes down to whether a manufacturer is willing to genuinely listen to users and deliver what they want. I took the phone out with me for afternoon tea over the weekend, and it definitely grabbed attention. Even when casually placed on a table, it stood out effortlessly. The deep blue finish perfectly highlights the device's premium character. You don't need to carefully match it with anything. The sense of luxury comes naturally. One feature I've especially enjoyed is the X Fold 6's tent mode. With a simple fold, the device transforms into a stylish digital clock that looks great on a desk or table. After spending a few days with it, a few details have impressed me the most. As someone who regularly uses foldable phones, I'm very sensitive to how they open and close. The hinge on the X Fold 6 feels exceptionally well-tuned. The resistance is smooth and satisfying, while the entire folding process feels sturdy and reassuring. In real-world use, the phone remains very stable when positioned anywhere between 10 and 130 degrees. Another improvement is the design of the inner and outer displays. The corners are more rounded than before, giving the overall appearance a more balanced and harmonious look. The camera module has also changed compared to the X Fold 5. The lens area now protrudes slightly more than the previous generation. It still features a triple camera system, but Vivo has added an extra flash this time around. I've already spent some time testing the camera performance, so there's definitely a lot to look forward to in the full review. To be honest, I was pleasantly surprised to see Vivo equip the X Fold 6 with this enhancement lens solution. Combined with many of the other refinements throughout the device, it really feels like Vivo has put genuine effort into improving the foldable experience this time around. For now, these are just my first impressions. I'll be sharing a complete in-depth review after the official launch. If you're interested in the X Fold 6 and want to see more tech content like this, make sure to subscribe to the channel and become part of our tech community. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.